Hello everyone, today I will tell you Hello Universe book chapter 36 to 40. And Roger was kept thinking in the well, and when he was thinking, he thought about three things that he would do when he get out. First one is to say to the family that please don't call me a turtle. And the second thing was tell if the Chad Bullens bull him again, he would say, if you do that again, you will regret that you had then done that. And the last thing was talk with Valencia. Like he was so shy and even couldn't say hello, but he promised that if he get out, he would say hello to her. And Valencia and Kari and Gen was kept finding, but it was very hard to find. And then Valencia thought, and suddenly Kari told about the 5 stones that Bajil helped to take to her. And Valencia remembered the 5 stones and put it in the well and closed the door. And then she suddenly knew where the Bajil was. And Valencia thought Bajil was in the well. And the three went to the well, and in there it was almost all black, and they couldn't see well. And they yelled, "Hey, Bajir, are you there?" And there was a sound came, "Yeah, here's me, help me," like those things. And they were very curious why he couldn't get out because there was a ladder. And then the Bajir said, the lowest ladder is too high and he's short, so he couldn't reach the ladder. So Valencia get under to the well and got the jump rope from the Gen and gave it to the Bajir to to come, and he get out to the well, but he promised to say hello, but he was still shy and he couldn't say anything to Valencia. And Bajir was too shy, so he couldn't say Valencia hello to her. And Kari and Gen was kept asking to him, "Hey, how was in the under there? And what happened? Do you think you're gonna die? How thirsty were you? How hungry were you?" Like those things. But Bajir was too shocked and couldn't say anything, so they went home. But Valencia came to other way, and only that 3 left. And Kari said, "Hey, why didn't you talk to Valencia? I know that you like her." And then Kari said to Bajir that it will be a destiny, not like it is like a sudden. It will be a destiny, and it meant to be. But Bajir was kept saying, "No, it is not a destiny. It is just it happened sudden. It is not. It won't be a destiny." And Bajir and Kari and Gen was very sad about that. And they finally left. And they went to Kari's house to eat some lunch. And I think it is becoming more interesting. And the story is almost finished. And I hope we will see the ending soon. And see you next time.